Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyasha Das and here we are for the next video on the free CMAT series. Now you all have to understand that this video is specifically dedicated to the sports section where we'll be covering the CA as well as the static GK. Okay, we'll be covering all the parts and I have more questions in this section because I cannot resist myself from giving you different types of questions. Okay, the purpose behind giving you specifically 20 questions is that I have found out them to be very relevant to the CMAT structure for the past 5 years. What have they been continuously asking and focusing on is what I have researched and found out, and based on that, I made these questions. So these questions take equal amount of time to be made and searched compared to what you see me delivering it. So therefore, let's get started. हम both लोग मेहनत कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर, आप भी कर रहे हो, मैं भी कर रहे हूँ. तो इस मेहनत कि सम्मान में let's just put in our all efforts possible till the examination so that we come out with flying colors, because आपका success मेरे लिए भी important है. So let's go and get started with the first question. The ones who are new to the channel, let me tell you that I'm first giving you the questions on the screen. You're expected to try it out on your own and then listen to the answers. And also one more thing, that you should not get sad by the fact that you did not know some questions already, because the purpose of this video is not to test your intelligence but to let you know more new things as possible. So therefore take it as a learning video and not as something as a testing video. So let's start with the first question. 3 R's of the football are famous in which country? So 3 R's are the three prominent names, and if you people are aware of it, you guys would be knowing that R stands for, definitely one of them is Ronaldo. No one can deny Ronaldo. And if Ronaldo is the other one, I mean first one, then the second one is Rivaldo. Okay, after Rivaldo there is a Ronald, but then the next part of Ronald is Ronaldinho. Okay, these are the famous three footballers from Brazil. So in 2002, the 3Rs helped Brazil win its fifth World Cup championship, and Ronaldo also won a Golden Boot that time. And Ronaldinho made a name for himself with several outstanding performances, and Rivaldo was the oldest of the trio who exceeded everyone's expectations. तो ये चीजें आपको याद रखनी है, स्पेशली विद रेस्पेक्ट टू द स्टैटिक जीके एसोसिएटेड विद द वर्ल्ड स्पोर्ट्स. तो आज मैं वर्ल्ड स्पोर्ट्स और इंडियन स्पोर्ट्स दोनों कवर करूंगी. Now the Brazil's national football team has also won the FIFA World Cup 5 times. Like I'm talking about the last term. तो ये काफी important है इस country के लिए भी. Let's go to the second and the third question. Please take your time to do it on your own and then get back to the solution. So the second question says, which is the only Grand Slam tournament which uses a clay court? तो ये आपको बहुत मजा आएगा सुनने में, that the tennis is actually played on a variety of surfaces and each surface has a characteristic of its own. But when it comes to the answer of this question, that is the French Open, they are especially known for getting it played on the clay court. Okay, clay court speciality है French Open की. For the third question, all of you, give it a try. You need to know that the first World Cup football was held in 1930. ये हिस्ट्री है, ये स्टैटिक जीके है एसोसिएटेड विद फुटबॉलर्स. ओके, ये द फर्स्ट एसोसिएशन फुटबॉल कंपटीशन वाज इन 1908 इन लंदन ओलंपिक्स. दैट वाज अ सक्सेस. उसके बाद जाकर द फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड कप वाज हेल्ड इन 1930 उरुग्वे में. All right, this can be another part of the question which you can note. उरुग्वे में हुआ था 1930 में. Let's go for the fourth and the fifth question on your screen. Try it on your own and then we will discuss the answers. The fourth question says, when did the Indian national field hockey team win its first Olympic gold? ये काफी इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि ये स्टैटिक जीके है, इंडियन की हिस्ट्री से रिलेटेड. तो एनटीए एग्जाम पेपर सेट कर रहा है, तो ऑफ कोर्स दे वुड एक्सपेक्ट यू टू नो दिस थिंग. Now, Indian national hockey team was the first non-European team to be a part of the International Hockey Federation, first of all, and it won its first Olympic gold in 1928. That is option B. And it was till 1960 that it remained unbeaten in the Olympics, winning 6 gold medals in a row. But okay. Now coming to question number 5 and 6, which team won the first FIFA Women's World Cup? Now, please understand, this is static GK, number one, and number two, related to women. I have always been telling you people in all my GK videos that women, northeastern parts, para Olympics and things like that, these are the places where the government, that is NTA, wants you to focus on. Even if you don't know the answer, घर जाकर वापस आप सर्च जरूर करोगे कि इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर होना क्या चाहिए, या फिर कोई और आपके सामने डिस्कस करेगा, तो एनी विच वेज दिस इंफॉर्मेशन विल बी पास्ड ऑन टू यू. ये पर्पस है क्वेश्चन पेपर सेटर का आपको इन चीज़ों के बारे में बताना, क्योंकि जनरली क्या होता है गेम्स वगैरह में वुमेन्स साइडलाइन हो जाती हैं, गेम्स वगैरह में कुछ पैरा पीपल द डिजेबल्ड फोक्स वो साइडलाइन हो जाते हैं, कुछ नॉट सो स्पेशल गेम्स साइडलाइन हो जाते हैं। तो उन चीज़ों पर फोकस करने के लिए ही एग्जाम्स में उन क्वेश्चंस को ज़्यादा दिया जाता है, ताकि बच्चों के बीच डिस्कशंस हो तो वो ज़्यादा उस बारे में जाने. So that's the major purpose. So let's get back to the question. The correct answer of this is Norway, guys. This European champion Norway has defeated Sweden to clinch its first FIFA Women's World Cup, while the third place was backed by Brazil. All right. Let's go to the sixth question. Which team had won the first Hockey World Cup in 1971? फर्स्ट हॉकी वर्ल्ड कप जीतने वाली टीम इंडिया नहीं है, पाकिस्तान है. So Pakistan has won the first hockey World Cup in 1971, which was held in Barcelona, Spain. And in this was also, the competing team was Spain only. So 1-0 से उन्होंने जीता था, और इसी competition में इंडिया थर्ड आया था और केनिया फोर्थ. Okay, here comes question number 7 and question number 8 on your screen. Please try it on your own and then let's discuss the answer. But अगर अभी तक वीडियो को देख लिया है और वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया है, then I request all of you to first like this video and then continue with it. And definitely at the end of the video, do share this video with more and more people, because अगर आप शेयर नहीं करोगे तो मेरी केयर कौन करेगा? इस चैनल को ग्रो कराने के लिए सिर्फ आप ही रिस्पॉन्सिबल हो गाइज, बिकॉज कोई मार्केटिंग नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, तो सिर्फ आप ही लोग हैं एंड आपका वर्ड ऑफ माउथ है जिसकी वजह से चैनल ग्रो कर रहा है. सो प्लीज हेल्प इन दैट. ऑलराइट, एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द आंसर ऑफ द सेवेंथ क्वेश्चन. The question says, which is the world's first multi-sport event which inducts an equal number of women and men's medal? Now, this is very, very special. Again, इक्वालिटी की बात आ रही है, जेंडर इक्वालिटी की बात आ रही है, जो कि कॉमन टॉपिक है और इस पर डेफिनेटली क्वेश्चंस आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो. द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स. इट्स एक्चुअली द वन इन विच देयर इज एन equal number of sports or events which are having women and men participation. Okay, and it's actually unique in its kind, because ऐसा पहले कोई भी इंटरनेशनल मल्टी स्पोर्ट इवेंट नहीं कर रहा था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. विच कंट्री वॉन द गोल्ड इन द पैरा आइस हॉकी in 2018's winter Paralympic games? First, okay, this which country? Now these are the two important points to focus. पैरा भी है और आइस हॉकी भी है, तो ये दोनों बहुत स्पेशल हो गए. कौन सी होगी इसके क्वेश्चन की आंसर? यूएस. ओके, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका, दे वॉन इट. Let's go down to the next question. Question number 9 and 10 on your screen. Try it out on your own, guys. Question number 9 says that who is the first female boxer to win the gold medal in Asian Games? We have a movie in her name. It's none other than Mary Kom. उनके बारे में दो तीन चीजें और पता कर लीजिए. That she is the only female to become the world amateur boxing champion for record 6 times, and only female boxer to have won a medal in each one of the first 7 world championships, and the only boxer either in male or in female to win 8 world championship medals. मतलब उनका nickname है Magnificent Mary, and no doubt she's proving it to be correct. Okay, she's the only Indian female boxer to have qualified for the 2012 Summer Olympics. सोचो, it's like she's like wow. All right, okay, मैं भी वही बोलूंगी, just wow. Question number 10. Question number 10. Which Indian chess player defeated Magnus Carlsen? Okay, ये काफी न्यूज में था guys, and I expect all of you to know this answer. The answer is D. Gukesh. Okay, प्रागनंदा के बाद एक जो फेमस नेम आ रहा है अभी वो है गुकेश का. गुकेश पागलों की तरह खेल रहा है, like he is really playing well. Okay, and you need to know about him. All right. Next comes question number 11 and question number 12 on your screen. Try it out on your own. Which country clinched its maiden women hockey junior Asia Cup? So ये first है, maiden means first, women's है, hockey है, junior section में है Asia Cup. So obviously वो India होगा. Okay, India has won it and they defeated South Korea in this. Let's go to the 12th question. Where is the World Squash Federation World Cup held? You will be proud to know that it is held in Chennai, guys. And this took place last year in June, where 8 countries including India participated. They were Hong Kong, Japan, Malaysia, Egypt, South Africa, Australia and Colombia. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि इंडिया में जब जब ये चीजें होती हैं तो हमारी वर्थ बढ़ती है among other countries. Let's go to the 13th question. Everyone, please give it a try. Now, from here on, I'm going to associate you with some important people इन स्पोर्ट्स, जिनके बारे में आपको पता होना चाहिए बट वो नॉट सो वेरी फेमस गेम्स से एसोसिएटेड है। तो इसीलिए ये अभी के आने वाले सारे क्वेश्चंस बहुत ज्यादा स्पेशल हैं। यू गाइस नीड टू पे अटेंशन, नो डाउट ऑन इट। ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। अदिति गोपीचंद स्वामी, इनको आपने किस गेम के लिए सुना है पहले? वेल, शी एक्चुअली प्लेज आर्चरी, एंड आर्चरी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि ये ये लोग जो है बहुत फेमस नहीं है, बट एनटीए चाहता है कि आप उनके बारे में जानो, इसीलिए वो आपको इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन जरूर देंगे। सो शी इज अ 16-year-old गर्ल, ओके, हु हैज ब्रोकन द रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ द वुमेन्स section in archery. All right, the Indian women's compound team was having Jyoti, Aditi and Parneet. ये बाकी के लोग हैं जिनके नाम आपको पता होने चाहिए, who were in the top, okay? And archery के लिए इनका नाम famous होते जा रहा है. So you guys need to know Aditi, okay? Then coming down to which city is the host of the world's first women kabaddi league? Imagine. Now this is gonna be special because आप expect नहीं कर सकते कि इस country में women's kabaddi league ho rahi hai. None other than Dubai is the right answer for this one. And the league consists of 8 teams featuring a total of 96 players. All right, each representing the Indian states, and the victorious team will be awarded a prize of around 1 crore. And that's not important, but what is more important is India at least started its kabaddi team for the girls as well, and that too is being hosted in Dubai. So quite ironical. Question number 15. What is the name of the 37th National Games mascot? Okay, which is unveiled in Goa. So ये mascot कौन है? ये mascot का नाम है Moga. And what is the meaning of Moga? Moga is actually a Maharashtrian term, Konkani language term, if I'm not wrong, which means love. And this has been unveiled by the Chief Minister. तो कौन है Chief Minister गोवा का? Dr. Pramod Sawant. उन्होंने ये 37 नेशनल गेम में किया था. This is actually a representation of an Indian bison. You know how bison looks like? Go and search it if you don't. All right. So this is one of the another important things which is associated with sports and is definitely asked to you. Let's quickly move down to the some other important names. But अगर फिर से एक रिमाइंडर दे दूं कि आपने मेरे वीडियो को अभी तक लाइक नहीं किया तो प्लीज लाइक कर दो, डेफिनेटली सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो अगर चैनल पे नए आए हो तो, क्योंकि इतना सारा इंपॉर्टेंट कंटेंट जो आपको इतना रिसर्च करने के बाद मिल रहा है वो प्लीज थोड़ा सा तो आपका हेल्प चाहता है. So please do subscribe to the channel if you are new and do like this video. And वीडियो के एंड पे वीडियो को जरूर शेयर करना और मुझे कमेंट करके बताना, क्योंकि कमेंट करने से ना कनेक्शन बढ़ता है. ऑल राइट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. हरिंदर पाल सिंह संधू, इनको आपने किस मैच में देखा है? तो हरिंदर पाल सिंह संधू जो है, ही इज फेमस फॉर द गेम कॉल्ड स्क्वॉश. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया था, बहुत सारे ऐसे गेम्स हैं इंडिया में जो बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं, बट फिर भी क्योंकि वो क्रिकेट नहीं है तो हम उनके बारे में उतना ज्यादा नहीं जानते. तो इसलिए यू नीड टू नो हिम. अलॉन्ग विथ हरिंदर पाल, you also need to know that Deepika Palikal, okay, and Harinder Pal, they together defeated the Malaysian team. All right, and ये दो बहुत famous names है जो आपको पता होने चाहिए for the squash. Okay, now Praveen Kumar and Nishad Kumar, which sports would you think they are associated with? They are associated with high jump, guys. देखो पहले ना javelin throw के बारे में भी लोग नहीं जानते थे. जैसे नीरज चोपड़ा ने ओलंपिक्स जीता तो बस सबको पता चल गया कि जावलिन थ्रो भी एक चीज है और नीरज चोपड़ा भी एक आदमी है. बट हियर ऑल्सो यू विल सी दैट हाई जंप भी उसी एथलीट में आता है. ओके, एंड वहां पे भी प्रवीण कुमार और निशित को आपको पता होना चाहिए. उनकी स्पेशलिटी ये है दैट दे आर द फर्स्ट पैरा एथलीट फ्रॉम उत्तर प्रदेश टू क्वालिफाई इनटू 2024 पेरिस पैरा ओलंपिक्स. बताओ यार, द स्पेशल पार्ट इज दैट दे आर इन द पैरा ओलंपिक्स. वो ज्यादा स्पेशल है ना. And India's Nishad Kumar also clinches silver here, and Praveen ko to I think bronze mila tha. Okay, now going to the 18th question. प्लीज ट्राई एवरीवन. दीक्षा डागर, इनका भी नाम बहुत कॉमनली न्यूज़पेपर में देखा गया था. फर्स्टली बिकॉज शी इज अ गर्ल, एंड सेकेंडली बिकॉज शी इज एसोसिएटेड विद अ वेरी फेमस गेम, not famous in India, that is golf. Okay, Diksha Dagar has shown her best show, ending up in the 21st rank. वहीं पर कुछ साल पहले जो एक बहुत फेमस नाम गोल्फ में फीमेल्स का आया था, वो कौन सा था? If you guys remember, it was Aditi Ashok. Okay, so Aditi Ashok के बाद अगर आपको दूसरा नाम पूछा जाए, so your answer should be Diksha Dagar. And in which game? Golf. Now coming to 19th and the 20th question, guys. Give it a try. Quick, quick, quick. Let's discuss the answers. Mohit Kumar and Priya, they are associated with which game? So they are associated with a game called wrestling. And remember that Mohit Kumar is the first Indian wrestler to become a junior world champion since 2019 after edging Russia's the opponent. And then ये अंडर 20 चैंपियनशिप्स की बात कर रही हूँ मैं. और वहीं प्रिया इन द वुमेन 76 kg category earned another gold medal for the country, becoming the country's only second woman grappler to grab this title. So these two people are very well known for wrestling. Okay, and the second last question for the day for everyone, Kishore Jena, he is in news associated with which sports? तो मैंने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले स्पोर्ट्स के बारे में बात की थी. The answer is javelin throw. तो नीरज चोपड़ा के बारे में, किसी उभरते सितारे के बारे में आपको पता होना चाहिए, तो वो है ओडिशा के star Kishore Jena, who is the first from the state to represent India at the finals of the World Athletics Championship. And at this championship in Budapest, he finished 5th with a personal best of 84.77. So उभरते स्टार है, हमें उन्हें फोकस देना चाहिए. And finally, the last question of the day is, how was the video? I know it went a little longer, but then all the 20 questions are hand-picked, very, very well-researched questions. इनको खोज कर लाना भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि वो आपके सीमैट के पैटर्न के बिल्कुल aligned है. So with this, I'll take your leave, guys, requesting all of you to share this video with more and more people, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. And most importantly, comment below and let me know कि video कैसा लगा. Thank you so much. Take care and be ready for the upcoming videos as well. Study hard, guys. I'm always there for you. Thank you.